Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th Annual Europa Property SCE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. Next one, which is Property Management Firm of the Year. And Agata, if you'll read the short list.
We have 3 nominees: CBRE, Service Management Services, and Cushman Wakefield.
And Property Management Firm of the Year is this year sponsored by New Work. And from New Work, the CEO, Hubert Abt. A few words from you.
Hubert, great to see you. Welcome to the show.
Good evening. I'm Hubert Abt, CEO and founder of New Work Offices. We are happy to sponsor the award for the Property Manager of the Year on this year's SCE Awards in Bucharest. Hope to see you in person next year again. Take care in the post-corona times and stay healthy. Bye.
Great, thanks.
Thank you.
So excited about it. And then we had 2 companies, which also is part of Cushman Network. And so there's really 2 awards. One is for the Bulgarian office, and the other one is also for the Romania office, Cushman Wakefield Echinox.
And from Cushman and Wakefield, Romania, we have Mihaela Petrescu. I believe she's live.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yes, hello.
Good to see you. Hello.
Hello,
everybody.
welcome.
Nice seeing you.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Craig. I'm very happy for this award, especially this time. Thank you for the trust of our clients and for all the support of our property management teams and all the property managers who stayed in the first line during this period.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot and stay safe.
Yeah, thank you.
You too.
Thank you. And you too. And congratulations and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.